Hello everyone, welcome at the Zenith manufacturer. Today I'm going to present you the new DEFY El Primero 21, the only automatic high-frequency chronograph able to measure 100 of a second. Let's start with the basics. The DEFY El Primero 21 is housed in a 44mm case, reminiscent of one of the original El Primero cases from the early 70s. There are so far several different versions of material available: brushed titanium, ceramic, and rose gold. The majority of all versions come with an open work dial with two sub-dial and a chronograph power reserve. There is one version with a plain dial faithful to the original model. The El Primero 21 features two separate escapements and two barrels completely independent from each other. That means two sources of energy. One escapement is for the time and beats at 36,000 vibrations per hour, like the original El Primero. It's the one you can see at 8 on the front side of the dial. The other is just for the 100 of a second chronograph, running 10 times faster at 360,000 vibrations per hour. It's the one you can see at 10 or on the back side of the watch. The watch itself, for the time indication, is an automatic winding system operated by this nice skeleton star-shaped oscillating weight. If you want to wind up your watch manually, you need to turn the crown from top to down. The power reserve of the watch is 50 hours. The chronograph here is a manual winding system. That means you need to wind it up in the other direction, from down to top. The power reserve indicator for the chronograph is at 12 o'clock. Due to the amount of energy that it takes to run a chronograph at 360,000 vibrations per hour, the chronograph function can only run for up to 50 minutes. Let's now have a closer insight in the 100 of a second chronograph. When the chronograph is in motion, the seconds hands run around the dial once per second. The 100 of a second is directly displayed on the flange of the dial. The seconds are then counted on the 60-second register at 6 o'clock, and the minutes are counted on the 30-minute register at 3 o'clock. The watch is chronometer certified. It comes with a chronometer certification by Time Lab in Geneva. Since 1969, Zenith, with its El Primero, is providing some of the best and most precise watches in watchmaking field. We are mastering the tenths of a second since then, and we are now entering a whole new era with this DEFY El Primero 21, the most precise chronograph ever with 100 of a second measurements.